Imagine having a personal sous chef in your kitchen, one that can chop, blend, knead, steam, cook, and even clean up after itself. That's exactly what the ChefRobot CR7 smart food processor promises to deliver. This all-in-one kitchen marvel is designed to revolutionize the way you prepare meals, combining the functionality of multiple appliances into a single, sleek device. Whether you're a novice cook trying to master the basics or an experienced chef looking to streamline your workflow, the ChefRobot CR7 is packed with features to make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. With its smart technology, intuitive touchscreen interface, and an extensive library of guided recipes, this appliance doesn't just simplify cooking, it transforms it into an effortless and creative experience. Let's dive deeper into what makes this futuristic food processor a game-changer for modern kitchens. Specifications. The ChefRobot CR7 is a versatile and powerful smart kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. It features a 500W motor for food processing and a 1200W heater for cooking, ensuring efficient performance across various tasks. The 3-liter stainless steel mixing bowl is durable and spacious enough for family-sized meals, while the temperature range of 98 degrees Fahrenheit to 320 degrees Fahrenheit supports a wide array of cooking techniques, from slow cooking to frying. The device includes a built-in scale capable of measuring up to 5 kilograms, allowing precise ingredient measurements directly in the bowl. Its 7-inch touchscreen display provides an intuitive interface, complemented by Wi-Fi connectivity that grants access to over 600 pre-programmed recipes and app integration. The dimensions of 16.5-inch by 15.3-inch by 19.6-inch make it compact enough for most countertops, while its weight of approximately 21 pounds ensures stability during operation. These specifications highlight its ability to replace multiple appliances, making it an all-in-one solution for modern kitchens. Design and build quality. The ChefRobot CR7 boasts a sleek and modern design that fits well into contemporary kitchens. Its compact yet robust build exudes quality, with durable materials used in the mixing bowl and accessories. The bowl features clear measurement markings, while the lid ensures a tight seal to prevent spills during operation. Accessories like the steamer tray, butterfly whisk, spatula, and measuring cup are thoughtfully included to enhance functionality. Despite its compact design, the appliance requires sufficient counter space due to its multifunctional nature. The power cable storage at the bottom is a practical touch that keeps the workspace tidy. Overall, the build quality is solid and comparable to premium competitors like Thermomix TM6, but at a more affordable price point. Display interface. The 7-inch touchscreen display is one of the standout features of the ChefRobot CR7. It provides an intuitive interface with clear icons for selecting cooking modes and accessing recipes. The display supports manual adjustments for time, temperature, and speed, making it suitable for both novice cooks and experienced chefs. While the interface is user-friendly, navigating through its numerous options can feel overwhelming at first. The multifunctional knob adds convenience by allowing quick adjustments without relying solely on touch controls. Over time, users find the interface seamless and highly effective for managing their cooking processes. Functionality. The ChefRobot CR7 offers an impressive range of functions that cater to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. It combines the capabilities of a food processor, multi-cooker, blender, and more into one compact device. Its functionalities include chopping, blending, kneading dough, steaming, sous vide cooking, slow cooking, stir-frying, whisking, and even making desserts like custards and ice creams. The built-in scale allows users to weigh ingredients directly in the mixing bowl, ensuring precision during preparation. What sets the CR7 apart is its intelligent automation system. Users can select from pre-programmed cooking modes, such as steaming or slow cooking, or manually adjust settings like temperature, time, and speed for customized recipes. The device also features step-by-step guided recipes displayed on the touchscreen or app, making it easier for beginners to prepare complex dishes. For advanced users, manual mode offers complete control over the cooking process. The Chef Robot CR7 self-cleaning mode simplifies post-cooking cleanup by using water and detergent to clean the bowl automatically. Additionally, its Wi-Fi connectivity enables real-time recipe updates and app integration, allowing users to sync their cooking preferences across devices. This functionality makes it a versatile tool that adapts to various culinary needs. Ease of use. While the Chef Robot CR7 offers incredible convenience once mastered, it does have a learning curve. Beginners may initially find its extensive capabilities intimidating. However, features like guided recipes with step-by-step instructions make it accessible even to those new to cooking. Pairing the device with its app enhances usability by providing access to additional recipes and customization options. The app allows users to experiment with their own recipes or adjust existing ones. However, inconsistencies between app-based recipes and those on the device can occasionally cause confusion. The mixing bowl lid can be stiff and challenging to remove initially but becomes easier with use. Additionally, some users report minor issues such as liquid accumulation in the steamer base if not connected properly. Performance. The performance of the Chef Robot CR7 is exceptional across its multiple functions. Its 500W motor operates smoothly at speeds up to 6,000 RPM, making it ideal for tasks like blending soups or kneading tough doughs with ease. The 1200W heating element provides consistent temperatures for precise cooking techniques such as sous vide or frying. With its wide temperature range, 98 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, the CR7 accommodates diverse recipes while maintaining accuracy. In real-world use, the Chef Robot CR7 delivers consistent results across various dishes. Steaming vegetables retains their color and nutrients while ensuring even cooking. Dough preparation is seamless thanks to its kneading function. Delicate tasks like whipping cream or emulsifying sauces are handled effortlessly using the butterfly whisk attachment. Slow-cooked meats turn out tender and flavorful due to precise heat control. The built-in scale enhances performance by eliminating the need for separate measuring tools, although users must add ingredients slowly for accurate readings. While most recipes are executed flawlessly using guided steps, some trial and error may be required for specific dishes like desserts. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the self-cleaning mode. Users simply add water and detergent into the bowl and select this mode to clean it automatically. Most removable parts are dishwasher safe for added convenience. However, care must be taken when handling sharp components like blades during manual cleaning or assembly. Smart features. The Chef Robot CR7 integrates seamlessly into smart home ecosystems via Wi-Fi connectivity. Users can control it remotely through voice assistants or receive notifications when meals are ready. The app also provides updates for recipes and software enhancements, ensuring that the device remains functional over time. Its AI-powered cooking assistant suggests recipes based on available ingredients and adjusts cooking times automatically for consistent results. This smart functionality makes it an invaluable tool for busy households looking to save time without compromising on meal quality. Eco-friendly cooking. The steaming function promotes healthier cooking by retaining nutrients in vegetables and proteins while minimizing oil use. Additionally, its precise ingredient measurements reduce food waste, a significant advantage for eco-conscious users. However, some drawbacks are: bulky size requires ample counter space. Learning curve for first-time users. Recipe inconsistencies between app and touchscreen menu. Manual portion scaling required for different servings. Comparison with Thermomix TM6. When compared to Thermomix TM6, the Chef Robot CR7 is more affordable but offers similar core functionalities like kneading, blending, steaming, and weighing ingredients. Thermomix TM6 has a larger touchscreen display and guided cooking mode but comes at a significantly higher price point. Both devices are excellent choices depending on budget and specific needs. However, ChefRobot provides better value for money overall. So, should you buy it? The Chef Robot CR7 smart food processor is a game-changer in home cooking technology. By combining advanced features with user-friendly design elements, it simplifies meal preparation while encouraging healthier eating habits. Whether you're a novice cook exploring new recipes or an experienced chef looking to save time in the kitchen, this appliance delivers exceptional versatility and convenience. While it has minor quirks, such as recipe scaling limitations, it remains an excellent investment for anyone seeking an all-in-one kitchen solution that blends tradition with innovation seamlessly.